Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Discord bot. First, navigate to the Discord developer portal and create a new application. Give your application a memorable name. Next, go to the Bot tab and add a bot to your application. This step generates a unique token, which is crucial for your bot to connect to Discord. Remember to keep this token private and secure. Finally, enable the required gateway, intents for your bot to receive specific events. Now let's get your bot into a server. In the developer portal, under the OAuth 2 tab, use the URL generator. Select bot as the scope. Then, carefully choose the permissions your bot needs to function correctly, like send messages or manage channels. Copy the generated URL and paste it into your browser. Select the server you wish to add the bot to and authorize it. Your bot should now appear offline in your server. With your bot invited, it's time to bring it to life with code. You'll need a Discord API library for your preferred programming language, such as Discord, Py for Python. Install it using your package manager. Then, write a basic script that imports the library, initializes your bot client, and uses your bot token to log in. A simple Hello World command or a message event listener is a great starting point to test its functionality. Finally, let's get your bot running and test it out. Open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to your scripts directory, and execute your bot's code. You should see confirmation messages in your console. Head over to your Discord server, and your bot should now show as online. Try out any commands you've implemented, like typing ping to see if it responds with Pong. This confirms your bot is active and communicating correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.